He'll start control on Nige.
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
Was that Steve with a chock under the back tyre?
Clear.
All out.
Where is the next stop, Alan? So 1.4 miles till we turn off. Will you manage? I can give you a shove.
Only at least this is a fresh breeze.
Yeah, if you was a real man, you'd have taken deep breaths and got rid of it quicker. There's a fucking lot of effort went into that.
Oh, we saw.
Expect Alex is still sobbing uncontrollably.
I bet fucking Dino-Rod is still there trying to rod it through. So it says you can have a pizza or a curry or something tonight and a drink for 13 quid.
And a drink.
Nice.
Curry it is then.
Oh, curry it is, yeah.
Yeah. Oh no, not
Yeah,
you.
curry sounds good.
Me and Nick can have curry
No,
and get
no,
our own
no,
back on
yeah.
you tomorrow morning.
Oh,
You're having a
You
salad.
can have fucking lettuce. You've got lettuce.
I need a fucking curry to soften it up. It's like giving birth this morning.
No, after this morning you're having a fucking salad, mate.
Yeah, I mean the birth weight was £6.9.
I'm glad I don't have to clean out your cages.
Did the midwife congratulate you?
I can see why those waste pipes underneath hang down like they do now. No wonder they have to reinforce them with fucking zip ties.
But we're lucky on our van, we've only got a short run to the outlet.
Because I don't think that first fucker this morning had much bend in it. As turns go, that was quite rigid.
So what you do now, are you wanting to try and go to Stranraer to get fuel or something, no?
Well, you've seen Steve suck on a fag. I'll get him to siphon some of my fuel off for you.
We'll have it filled in no time.
Logger. Call that a log? I outperformed you this morning, you fuckers.
Yeah, they're gone to pick it up.
We have done, haven't we? We've been very lucky.
You've just jinxed it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Prepare yourself for a hearty kick in the bollocks in a minute, Joe. What are you doing tonight, Joe? Are you coming back into the fold? It's very aromatic in our caravan.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you, Joe. I really don't blame you.
Did you want me to come and bunk up with you? Not a fucking
Yeah.
open hell. Yeah, nothing personal, but fuck off.
I think you ought to let him, Joe, because otherwise you're going to get lonely on your own. Back on the coast again. Hey.
Oh, good.
Fucking Honda.
You got it, yeah?
Yeah,
It's definitely a
lovely.
It
coast
certainly
one, yeah.
does.
Getting hungry though.
You are?
I'm getting hungry because I didn't have a breakfast. I had a
It's fucking
diet.
unusual for
egg
you.
and bacon.
Normally you don't eat for a month.
I know. I had that diet egg and bacon roll, didn't I?
Clear, clear, clear.
Coming into a 30, aren't we? Clear if you want to have them.
Still time for the 30. Still time for the 30.
Go on, Joe, you'll do it.
Got loads of room.
What do you mean the lights of the fuel station? You're going to have a little guy with a hand pump and a barrel behind the house.
Yeah. In a rocking chair with a banjo in his fucking arms.
Yeah.
Yeah. serving only 4-star.
You know that Vaseline you rub around the eye of your ass every night, Nick? I
Yeah.
might need some on my lips later.
All right.
We're getting a bit chapped.
I'll run my finger through in a minute.
Siphon kit. You're a fucking thief, really, aren't you, Joe?
Yeah, why do you think Al's got no fuel? If Joe was down to 5 bars.
Cracking at you again.
Very good lad.
Ah, good man. He's going to let us all go, look. Are we all fueling up or not?
Yes, well I am.
Yeah,
I'm
not
at
as well.
77 miles.
I've got 104 left.
Not quite enough
Yeah.
to finish the run.
I've got 77 miles and Alan's got 700 yards. Excuse me,
Fuel station.
do you know if there's a petrol station somewhere close? Oh, right, okay. Shh. Stranraer's the closest the guy thinks, but he doesn't live here.
Well, he's no good then, is he?
We'll ask this guy. Okay, thank you.
You never get a local, do you?
No. Do you know if there's a filling station close? A filling station. 17 miles. Stranraer's the closest. Wonderful. Okay, thank you. We'll pull over for a wee rest anyway because Alan's not going to make it to Stranraer, that's for sure.
I think we're due a battery change anyway, aren't we?
Have you got a siphoning kit, Joe? Have you got a kit? Or are you joking? Steve, it's down to you, old sucker puffer.
Yeah.
If you
Funny enough, I've got a tow rope at home and I thought, should I put that in?
Well, I think
I'm just wondering if there's a local farm that's got some.
somebody's... Oh... Aye. Oh...
You know where they will have some, don't you? Back down on the quay.
No, we should have gone up, I'll turn round.
Should have gone right to the right,
Yeah.
should we?
Turn round. Yeah.
Visitor attraction 5 miles with an eatery. I'm just wondering.
Should somebody go to Stranraer and get a can? Aye.
Yeah.
Just pull into that car park on the left. Or the dirt track, yeah, where Joe is. Yes. Smells like shite.
It is shite. Look at that, straight on the stone.
Now, we might not have any fuel, but we do have a Steve.
Now, there's a holiday park a mile and a half down that road you were going to take. I expect they've got fuel there still, you?
Well, a faff stop. Steve's gone down to a local campsite to see if they've got a petrol can, because we think the T7 is just about to run out of fuel. If you can't get a petrol can, we're going to start heading towards Stranraer and see how far it gets before it runs out. We'll keep you posted. And there's the update. A nice man down the Caravan Centre's come up with a bloody great big can of petrol. Good man. Thank you very much, sir.